So, in the office, first thing first, before my nail appointment, I have an ombre brow client that is a retouch. I can show her social media. So I'm going to do my client her ombre brows, and then I'll be heading straight to Nomlu Nail Bar to get my nails done. I am late for my appointment. I have to get the hair. So I'm going to do my nails like I said. I am with my sister. So I'm going to do my nails. Let's go to Nomlu Nail Bar. A few moments later, listen to get another time. We look forget that. So continue watching the vlog. I'm not yet done with my nails. I decided to go for a red nail polish. Of recent, this is what I've been kind of liking. I'm probably gonna come back again and redo it. So after my nail appointment, I just took a stroll around Airport Junction, and then I got into Cotton On to try to look for just a couple of items, tops, t-shirts and stuff like that, but nothing really tickled my fancy. So I left, and then I went to Woolworths to go look for a number of food items. Okay, so let's take it batang haki di bone. So, sorry.
I can be a part of that video.
Okay, no problem.
Hi, that's Victor.
He wanted to be a part of the videos. So let's take it batang haki di bone. But I bought a few things. After this, and then my day will be basically done. We'll be heading now to day 2 because I don't know what am I exactly going to do, but we'll see. He's back again. But the Samuela Sissanas, that Chelsea, not the way to say babang. Kids, oh, Dinawayana Kitseo. It's like it was a new hurry. What does he have? He decided to settle for Bukhara. Like I said, I still want to keep within my low-calorie deficit diet. So we'll see. I want something a bit heavy-ish. So let me wait for the waitress. What can they help me out with? I'll have the chicken Caesar and chicken lollipops. Thank you very much. Drink. Do you have Coke Zero?
Yes, I do.
Coke Zero, please. Thank you very much.
Batumba Mudim, can we talk about how amazing this camera is? I'm so impressed. It's not even funny. Hi, Bona. Like, my day is done. My day is over. My day one is done. I am done with my hair. I had to ask Auntie to help me out with my hair because make it feel like maybe let me cut costs. And then undo my hair at the salon again. You know it can get a bit expensive to do that in the salon. So yeah, bear with me. My studio is a bit messed up. I'll clean it up when I come back from South Africa. So what I hope tomorrow I'll just do I'll just put on a wig. I don't know which one. I don't know. This one is a bit too bulky for me though. But maybe I'll do this fringy one, the one I normally wear. This is my escape wig, my lazy day wig. So we'll see. Like starting from scratch, and I paid this man deposit beginning of February. By last week Saturday suit. So Saturday on Tare, no, come on Monday it that way heady. Only for him this morning because it's such a little bit of a complicated design. Oh Jesus, I hope I'll like it. But there's a suit that I've long had from Q Apparel. That will be my plan B. So we'll see how everything else transpires. So I finally arrived at the salon. Disaster. Right, so this is Ben, the owner of Hair Essentials, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
one of the essentials.
Perfect. So this is the man who did my pixie cards a few years ago. A few years ago, right? I'll share the pictures so that you guys know what I'm talking about. So if you want to get your pixie cut done, and this is the right person, I highly recommend Hair Essentials. So
Is the best preparation for wig line.
I know. So after this I'm going to my tailor to check on the progress concerning my suits, and then we'll take it from there. So I'll see you when I see. Continue watching. I'll see you when I see you. I'm done with my hair. Ke thibile pushback nna. Nka ka tsamaya ka pushback mo toropong. Yang. Ta ke letse moruki go itse gore a reng ke sa mood yana. Hi Rashidi.
Yes, ma.
What ke dire yang? Should I come over kana yang?
No, nana ke dira preparation o fite ke ka fala ke dira bosigo.
Hela. Rashidi go etsana koma?
You see where I'm going to finish very late. You can't wait for this.
No, ke rela gore should I come for the fitting?
Hey, you can come.
What after the fitting, when am I going to collect it?
Utaliza kama usonapagala utakuwa kidielele.
Rashidi, my flight is at 6.
No, they can't get finished now. Kuweza kumegabo 12 gabo 1 busiku.
I can't come ka 1 bosigo Rashidi. Ke swantse ka 6 ebe ke le ko airport.
Ke fanta ke le ka gala. I'm still very far with them.
What do you mean Rashidi?
Ke fanta ke le very far. You can't collect them now.
I can wake up at 1 to come and collect diaparo tseo.
Yeah, no.
Ga ke tshega a ke tshogile a ke itse gore ke reng. Ha ke itse gore ke reng wa itse.
No, they can't be finished now. The time so if it's to go, it has to make it when I finish, then you can come for them. If not possible, just get a second option.
There is no second option. Where Rashidi? There is no second option. Ke tswa jwaneng gona na hanga bo ke itsile na kwa yo take a planner. Ke a go tsaka 1.2 gore ke batla suit e nngwe gape. Ke mo yang go roka suit.
Nna ke a dira ha ke le I'm doing, that's why in case if Chakusenya was stress, you can just make another option, but now I'm doing.
I get ya no wait.
How is it?
I get bona ke ta boela go wena. Tswella.
Okay.
Tswella ke ta boela go wena, but I really don't know.
So,
Sharp. Ke tswa go just candy ke tshabile go tsa a video. So let me check if there's anything more words and then we'll take it from there. At this point, ke setse ke ra hela ka gore la le suit ya monna ela ela ga go hela ke a itabola. Dumelang. Ke mo patong ya blazer. Eni. Ha bo ka ntshwanna ela. La ele ja basa. Ke ka ntshisa setho. So, te bona re ka khona go bona sengwe. Wa ta go nyana ke mind. No, I creo que hay walang kating. I like the pants though. I like the pants. I really do. So I'm probably gonna get the pants alone, just in case. Ke buile gape go se go le maitsebo a yanong ne ke tshwere ke tsele le tsele my friend joined me ona ka nya gore ke a lla ke na le stress so next thing but ke beile ela gore it is what it is. Let me control what I can control. So sente kana go na le di awards go teng kwa so go na le se sa aparwang di awards. So ke a fitting ya mosese wa di awards and then ke a go check progress ya Rashid gore what am I indicating? Ke a go check progress ya Rashid gore how far, and then I'll keep you posted from there. Zumalang in Freddy's voice. I am back. I'm done fitting. Mosese wa dinara, so far so good. I'm very happy. Moji ranka tsinya dingalo. Halebo our brother from different countries. So good is it. So I'm done with Melgy design stress. I can't show it because like always I just want to surprise you guys. I just want to hake go Rashid. Is it Rashid go bisa to yang? Ke a go teng kwa. I don't want to go. It's just across the road Hakakala. So I get a vlog very soon because I feel like I'm tired and hungry. So I make it, but I'm so hungry also. So continue watching. Rashidi Aren. Coco, kuna le matoga. You have to wait. I'm here for first fitting. White shoes, yes. Kitile fiti. Ya letsela ke. So what can we do? So this thing is made in such a way that it's wow. Wowza.
Aramapeka.
Malabula.
Matsela.
Hela. Mata asim akitsuri matanta mante that. Mola akitsuri ke mmoli.
And when it's what it's
7:09. Are kita ka 1. Horare o tlema in the next 3 hours ta ba hedi. Tsempolelo re why didn't they start in the morning? Kana re ke one ba reka setsi.
I'm lost for words.
Eish. A rotsa order ra di goile ano. Re kwa ga Rashid. Ha iso ra ke tala la hakana. So what the dinner is done. I'm happy with how it looks. So I might as well end the vlog here. So good night. We are still here. That is the time. 1:40 1. Whew. Modimo wa me. So ke a go phutha yaanong but every day ke go phutha ga di final touches there, and then I'll try to sleep. I think I'm probably going to sleep around bo 3 because it's really too high. I gotta keep out to half 3 or 4 ke ta bona.
And also
Cappuccino.
How about you? It's gonna track me everywhere I go.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love it. It's chicken.
Okay, hi guys. We are at the airport and I'm a bit excited.
Hey bitch.
I'm a bit excited.
Hey bitch.
Yeah.
We are a lot excited.
No, I'm a bit excited because I can't know it's late. Can I late is in a local sinya?
Mood.
Hello. So it's okay.
It's okay, mom.
Excitement to take godimo make it I feel like mama I want to say let the moments be
I don't want it
candid.
to be like a lot, like long.
Hey, okay.
Hey, okay.
So I am with Bridget. If you don't know Bridget,
Then you should know me.
Bridget, like I don't understand.
Hi guys.
So yeah, today is the day we're leaving for the Forbes Leading Women Summit. Well, that thing, but for the most part, this is just a mini girl time, honestly speaking. So that's what we are actually looking forward to beyond the Forbes event. So this is going to technically be my little vlog of leaving BW to SA and just arriving and all those shenanigans. So continue watching.
Attention please, ladies and gentlemen. The owner of the vehicle registered B299 BVL.
See you when I get home.
B299.
God, we have matching nails.
I know, that's
How
right. And we didn't
gorgeous.
even plan
We didn't even talk about
it.
it. Wow.
The girls are in sync, honey.
Thank you.
This is my good side, girl.
Where? Nyam. Thank you, Mela. Kirlan, Kitilan. Relative, we have
It's the food people.
and
How is it?
everything late.
No, we didn't.
I get surila. Nakanya ko take asal. Hey, yo.
Spécial, bébé, t'as la robe pour état. Spécial, je veux t'accrocher comme une épingle. Spécial, puis j'ai la Rolex pour t'attendre. Même si je voulais partir de samba, c'est toi qui me donnes. Oh maman, j'étais dans les veines.
This is my very first mini girls trip. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. So
Same. Turbulence. When it's not turbulencing, I'm fine.
it's turbulencing.
Now we're like good.
Good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, okay now.
My name is
C'est officiel, toujours la même.
Me balade dans ma citadelle, mais ma vie n'est toujours pas belle. À la citadelle, je serai beau que quand l'argent m'appelle. Ils m'ont laissé délaissé. Problème dans ma tête, les premiers à dire que j'ai géré. Dans ce qu'ils m'ont négligé, dans ce qu'ils m'ont négligé, ce qu'ils m'ont négligé. Séparé son bendo. Et si j'ai même mis moi au dos, j'essaie de faire comme les autres. Mais la nuit, je peux pas d'autre.
We have landed safely. got that from here. Are we going to the apartment first?
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to the apartment, and then I'll be going for my hair appointment. So yeah, basically that's what's going to happen.
Okay, I'm going out. Can share go to open us
I wanted an SD card, a micro SD card for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I got to realize that I got the wrong one, so yeah.
We'll take her upstairs, no?
Please, no problem.
That's for just
all right, luckily, so we managed to fix the issue. They'll refund cash, which is very convenient for me. Alright, so I've decided to go do my hair first before checking in. We need to check in, and then I'll be heading to the apartment from there. Hi, Bridge. Yes, 100%. Okay, I'm gonna back on no beradi. Okay, no problem. Sharp. Bye. Because my hair is something else. No problem. Finally, I said from the comment section to reality. Finally, right? I'm here. AV Beauty is doing my hair for the event.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a drip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me. Oh, taste and see. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got good and plenty.
I bet all the spaces in between. It's magic when I taste you in the beam. An average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you mean to me. Chemistry, intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis, never sleep.
Never sleep. Say